Hi boys and girls, today you're going to need your math workbook, your crayons, and a pencil. Press pause, go get those things, and press play when you're ready to start. Open up your math workbook to page 151. 151 is 151. Open up your math book to page 151 and then put your name at the top. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. Take a look at that big giant slide at the top of your paper. We're going to draw kiddos that are lining up to take a ride down the slide. So I want you to open up your crayon box and we are going to make the first person in line with our red crayon. So go ahead and let's just draw each person's face. Draw a red smiley face. He's going to be our first friend in line. Put your red crayon down and pick up your orange crayon. I want you to make the second person orange. Our first person is red. Our second person is orange. What color should our third person be? Yellow. Okay, so we have red, orange, yellow. Green comes next. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Okay, so take a look at those colorful friends that are standing in line for the water slide. I want you to circle the first friend in line. So pick up your pencil. And who is the first friend in line at the water slide? What color are they? That friend is red, so circle the first friend. Great job. Now take a look at the hot dog concession stand at the bottom. We're going to make friends line up for some yummy hot dogs. The first friend in line is going to be red, just like the friend at the top. I want you to make that first person in line red. The first person in line is the person that's closest to the concession stand. Make the second person in line orange. Make the third person in line yellow. That yellow friend is kind of hard to see, but we know he's there. Red, orange, yellow, green. And blue. So I know that the first person in line is red. Who is the last person in line? Who will be the last friend to get their yummy hot dog? Will it be red, orange, yellow, green, or blue? It'll be blue. I want you to circle the last friend in line. Great job. Turn to the next page. Take a look at those kangaroos. We're going to practice our ordinal numbers today. So trace the circle around the joey that is third from the pouch. Before we can decide which joey is the third from the pouch, we have to number them. So look at the kangaroo that's closest to the kangaroo pouch. That's the first kangaroo. Can you write a number 1 below that kangaroo? Okay, now what number comes after 1? 2. What number comes after 2? 3. What number comes after 3? 4. And what number comes after 4? 5. So we have to circle the little Joey kangaroo that is third from the pouch. So we have to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. This little Joey is third in line. Can you say third? Great job. I want you to put an X over the Joey that is fourth in line. Say fourth. Fourth is the Joey that is number 4. First, second, third, fourth. Cross off that number 4 kangaroo. He's fourth in line. Let's take a look at those kitty cats down at the bottom. It looks like they're chasing after that ball of yarn. Which kitty cat is closest to the ball of yarn? Who is the first kitty cat in line? It's this one over here. So let's write a number 1 below that kitty cat. They're racing towards that yarn, and that kitty cat is in first place. Which kitty cat is in second place? This one. Go ahead and write a number 2 below that kitty cat. So we're writing our numbers in order, but we're going backwards because the first friend is over here. So this is number 1. This is number 2. What kitty cat is this? 3. What number comes after 3? 4. And then 5. I want you to take a look at those kitty cats and draw a line under the kitty cat that is 5th in line. Say 5th. 5th is the kitty cat that is number 5 in line. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That poor little kitty cat is in last place. That kitty cat is 5th in line. Now I want you to take your pencil and I want you to circle the cat that is 4th in line. Say 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 4th kitty cat in line. So draw a circle around that cat. Great job. Take a look at page 153. So I need you to listen to my directions and follow along as best as you can. Take a look at those camels. They're in line waiting to get a drink from the water. I want you to number those camels, starting with the camel who is first in line. I want you to look at those camels and draw an X on the 5th camel. 5th is the camel in the number 5 spot. Draw an X on the 5th camel. And then draw a line under the 4th camel. Great job. Take a look at the birds down below. I want you to number those birds in order, starting with the bird that is closest to the berries. This bird is going to be the first birdie to eat a berry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 birdies in line waiting for the berries. I want you to draw an X on the third bird. So which bird is in third place right now? 1, 2, 3. Circle the third bird. And then I want you to draw a line under the first bird. Great job. Flip your paper over. Listen and follow my directions as best as you can. Draw a sandwich on the first plate the ants will find. Draw a circle around the bird closest to the worm. Draw an X on the second caterpillar from the leaf. Draw a fourth ant in line to reach the plate. And last, draw 5 cups, starting at the sandwiches. Draw a circle around the 5th cup. If you'd like some extra practice, you can complete the homework for lesson 10. Good job today.